Ashley, at the car lot in the front, don't have him pile where the entrance, you know, where they're going out, because it's gonna block the view, you know, as they're coming out. You'll see it. I didn't pile any. I went to move it already.
Okay.
But you'll see it that the
just
pile.
The back pile. Just put it all back there.
Yep, back pile. Yeah,
okay.
try to.
Sounds good.
What?
What? I said I feel like I'm.
Yep, that works, Ashley. When you come in, you know that entrance where it's piled, just push it.
Just push.
Just
all
clear
that.
it. Yeah.
Okay, I wasn't sure. Yeah.
I just been going out filming the crew and getting them trained, and I've just come to the shop here and edit a vlog here for tonight, and so it's given me time to do stuff like that, you guys. YouTube and doing the vlogs and stuff is part of the business too. And I scheduled that in and make it a priority. And so they're on location right now at one of our industrial sites. So I'm gonna go see how they're doing. It's a nice day, you guys. Nice day. The snow is starting, like underneath, it's starting to warm up under the snow. So it packs as you step on it, and it's slippery. And so as the day goes on, the more the snow is gonna melt underneath. And so they're trying to knock it out and get it cleaned. We got like 7-8 inches, but it's our first time being out, and everybody's got to get familiar with the sites again, with the three team members that we have and the 3 equipment we have. The most we want to be out is, 8 hours, 9 hours. That's it. Don't want to be out anymore than we have to. And I'm to the point where I'm not running around and just going crazy. We do what we can handle, and it is what it is. I don't want to be honest, I don't want to burn anybody out either. So yeah, trying to get all the team trained, and that way I can book my book tour. And I've got some events coming up here that I'll be going to. I'll give you guys more update on my book tour, and I'm gonna be taking the van, you guys, driving around the United States, different states, and going around and seeing you guys, hopefully. So, all right, let's head up there. Opposite side of this road, stuck.
just the lights on.
Damn, that's no good. Damn, traction's on, lights on.
Well, you turn the traction
Yeah.
off, right?
I know, we're just.
Yeah, but you said where do you look for that gauge?
Info here. Here's Red's. Big. Yeah, I gotta get a new alternator. So that alternator shot on there. So I'm gonna run down to O'Reilly's and grab it. That's the only place that had it.
Okay.
And so yeah, he'll help with that. Do what he can. Might have to put in the scoop.
Oh, you don't have another Bobcat, do you?
No. So yeah, just have it on that. But yeah, when you're doing it, Ashley, instead of windrowing back and forth, that's what you guys are doing.
I've just been
Just
trying to
scoop
chunk it because
Yeah.
there's so much, and then I'll go back and clean
Yep.
up afterwards.
Yeah, don't have them windrow it.
Okay.
Yep, that's
There's so much. No.
I
don't do that.
Okay.
Drawing. What?
Yeah, then yeah, once you guys get this and then get that, get the detail out of, do all the detail cleanup too here.
Yeah.
Even inside that cage, right?
Yeah, just inside there, in between the
I'll just pull it
stuff.
over the fence.
yeah. So of course the alternator shot on that. We tested it. O'Reilly's have a new one on hand. It's gonna run me about $400, but it needs to get done. All right, guys. So we are here on location, waiting for Bob to come, and this is the house right here. So she doesn't have any snow stakes out here. So where is it? It's a pretty steep hill here, and the blower just does wonders here. Makes it easier, makes the job a little easier. guys can see, it is steep up here. That's why we need that blower, or else you'll just slip and slide with the bucket. All right, everybody. It's about a little bit after 7 p.m. We've been out since 6 in the morning. The team did a great job, and hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell button as well, you guys. Until next time, we will see ya.